Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. How are you? I think you are well at home, and I hope that you are enjoying to see and to watch your videos. So, very good news. This is as we know that we have studied the topic, the fun they had, and we have understood the story about the Futures School. That was the first topic of class 9 from English literature. Today we shall discuss the poem The Road Not Taken. It is containing in first exercise, but this is poem number 1. So how Robert Frost composed this poem, and what is the story of this well-known poem, and have to make choice. As we know that Robert Frost is an American poet who writes simply and in simple language, but insightfully about common ordinary experiences. So we have to follow how the poet composed it and what he has tried to give the message to class 9 according to the road not taken. So simply I want to tell you the summary of this poem. After that, line by line I will explain it. So firstly you will have to understand the whole story of The Road Not Taken, which is composed by an American poet, Robert Frost. One day the poet was walking through a yellow forest. Yellow forest means jungle or peely jungle. He came to a spot means certain place. He reached on a certain place where the road was divided into two different directions. He reached to a spot where the poet saw the road was divided into two different directions. He stood and looked at the two roads. That means he began to see and analyze about the two roads. Both of them looked equally and attractive. Both of them looked equally and attractive. So great problem is creating in front of the poet. It was difficult to decide which road I will have to use, I will have to take. Because the poet has to decide to watch, to analyze the two roads. One of the roads was more grassy. Grassy means घास वगैरह बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर लगा हुआ था. In fact, few people had walked on the road. He decided to take this road, and lastly and finally he decided to take this road, and he thought he would walk the other road someday some other day, मतलब उसने निर्णय किया कि हम दूसरा रोड जो छोड़ रहे हैं वो किसी और दिन हम यूज कर लेंगे, मतलब उस पर चल लेंगे. But it was impossible ever to return to that road. But it was too impossible for the poet कि उस पर मुश्किल होगा हमें रिटर्न होने में. Now he thinks of that road wistfully and he wonders what would happen if he had taken that road. और वह फिर सोच विचार करने लगा कि अगर हम जो है सो उस रोड को ले लिए और वापस फिर दूसरे रोड पे नहीं आ पाए तो ज़िंदगी का क्या होगा, किस तरह से हम उसका भरपाई करेंगे, किस तरह से पूरा करेंगे. दैट काइंड्स ऑफ सर्कमस्टांसेस क्रिएट्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट. सो दिस इज द serious matter for Robert Frost. So he composed and he had given the message through this poem to the students of class 9 how to choose the way in your life, because life is very very funny things. If once you are committed mistakes, then I think you can't fulfill it in your life, because time and tide wait for none. It's a reality and it's fact. So I mean to say you will have to concentrate it, you will have to understand it. After that you will able to understand how you are choosing and how you are making so easy to your life and to your choice. So now I will explain the first one, the first stanza. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. Let us discuss it. Two roads diverged in the yellow wood. Here diverged means separated and took a different directions. And sorry, I could not travel both. When the poet reached in the jungle, yellow woods, he saw two roads are diverting in two directions, and began to think and feel sorrow. I could not travel both. It is impossible for one person how to travel on both ways and both directions. Only one direction you can use for yourself and be one traveler. Long I stood, I became motionless and stood there and began to think and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. और खड़े होकर के हम देखने लगे कि ये जो दो डायरेक्शन, ये जो रास्ते जा रहे हैं, यह अंडरग्रोथ मीन्स झाड़ियाँ, छोटे छोटे पेड़ पौधे जिसमें डेंस ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स एंड बुशेस, बट घना हो. डेंस मीन्स घना. और रास्ता जो है सो घने जंगल में जा कर के आँखों से ओझल हो जाता है. पोएट यहाँ से एनालाइज करता है देख करके. बट ही बिकेम टू सीरियस हाउ आई विल हैव टू यूज द फ्रेश वन, बिकॉज बोथ आर लुकिंग इक्वल and fresh. So this was the great problem in front of the Robert Frost. But in next class we have to discuss from the second stanza, third stanza and fourth stanza. But this was the beginning how the Robert Frost described, and the first stanza means explained by me, and you will understand it. Before this, I have already told the summary of the poem, the road not taken, but how the poet feeling, it is described by me in summary. But according to your text, I have described the first stanza, and what does it means? The poet wanted to describe and kept in front of class 9 students. It's very, very special, and you will have to understand and have to make choice for your future like Robert Frost. Okay, thanks.